Hello everyone, this is your Lekkala Master Haragopal. In this video also I am going to discuss the solution of one interesting problem from NTSE 2021 stage 1 paper only. Very interestingly with the basic concepts of logarithms as well as statistics. So elegantly the question was built. So before going for the question, let me recall those concepts which are going to be useful for us in solving of that problem. If you consider some ungrouped data in statistics, we can calculate mean, median, mode of this particular ungrouped data. Coming for the mean, we used to find out with the help of this formula, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. When some numbers were given, simply we add all the numbers we keep in the denominator and we count the number of numbers were given to us. So we divide this sum with that particular number of values given to us. Whatever the result you are going to get will be considered as mean of that given data. So this is how we calculate the mean of ungrouped data. Coming to the logarithms, we have some set of properties of logarithms. With the help of that formulas only we used to calculate or we used to solve different problems. Now coming to this particular property, if you consider log m base a plus log n base a is equal to log m into n base a. So if you observe carefully, with the same base we have two different values here, m and n. So sum of these two individual logarithm terms will be equal to this particular value. So this is most simple and powerful property what we are going to use in this particular problem. So now without wasting time, let me introduce the question. Some 7 different values were given to us. They are saying if x is the mean of all these 7 values, then find the value of 2 minus log 2 base x minus log 3 base x minus log 5 base x, where x is the mean of all these 7 values given to us. So as the values are ungrouped data, as they are saying x is the mean of this particular data, first of all we calculate the mean of that particular 7 values. So we know how to calculate the mean. So simply sum of all observations by number of observations. Whatever the values given to us, just we add all the values, dividing with, if you count, there are 7 values given to us. So 7. So 210 divided by 7 we are going to get. So the mean of these 7 values were given as x. So x equal to mean equal to 270 by 7, which is nothing but 30 you are going to get. So on the whole, we have to replace x with 30 here. Why? Because x is the mean of all these values given in the problem and we calculated, we got 30 here. So now in this particular expression, wherever x is there, we replace with 30. So what was given here? 2 minus log 2 base x minus log 3 base x minus log 5 base x was given. So wherever x is there, I am replacing with 30. What you are going to get? 2 minus log 2 base 30 minus log 3 base 30 minus log 5 base 30. So if you consider all the 3 terms of logarithmic, simply you can see that all the 3 terms were negative here. Simply I am taking minus common here. What you are going to get? 2 minus within the bracket log 2 base 30 plus log 3 base 30 plus log 5 base 30. As we discussed one property from logarithms. So log m base a plus log n base a equal to log m into n base a. So this property we used to understand with the help of 2 terms only, but the same property is applicable for any number of terms. So here 3 terms were there. Simply you can rewrite or you can replace this particular expression of a logarithm with log 2 into 3 into 5 base 30. There 2 will be there as easily. So we got 2 minus log 2 into 3 into 5 base 30. What is this 2 into 3 into 5? 2 into 3 into 5 we are going to get 30 only. So on the whole we are going to get 2 minus log 30 base 30. We know that log a base a value is going to be 1. So simply you can replace log 30 base 30 value with 1. So you are going to get 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So whatever the expression was given in the problem, the value of that expression is going to be 1. So my dear children, if you observe carefully, very beautifully statistics and logarithms were interlinked. Such a elegant and simple and beautiful problem. Hope you understand the entire solution of this problem. Such kind of problems you are supposed to expect in NTSE paper. So my dear children, hope you enjoyed this solution. In the next video, we'll meet with another interesting problem. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Your Lekkala Master Haragopal.